Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MARA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. This is actually kind of a tricky chart to talk about from a presentation standpoint from where I sit because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 20 minutes after buying, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, I get it. The price did pull back from its highs. But from the big picture, the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over longer periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I am going to be talking about things from a big picture perspective. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you just had a different outlook and strategy going into the trade. And really the easiest way that I could kind of visualize to get this point across is in regards to this level right here. What is that, about $1.80? Why is $1.80 important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but just for example's sake, let's say the price actually pulls back some more. So it comes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, then from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, make progress, I'm defining as $1.80 for that simple reason where as long as the price stays above there, then very clearly the price is still going in the upward direction. Again, I 100% realize if you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you couldn't care less about these overall stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be making comments based on a big picture point of view. So yeah, today the price pulled back, but think about that word, today, as in 1 day. Looking at multiple days, which we're doing here, the bulls do still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. So that by far is priority number 1 going into next week. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can build that higher low or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.